never saw butterfly came by. Danced on flowers oh so high. The breeze blew as she spread her wings. Children clapped with joyful springs. Blue and yellow, red and pink, such bright colors a lovely bring. When the flowers spread their scent, she spread her arms in merriment. The sun rose up, the light did shine. The garden smelled so fresh, so fine. Tiny hands reached out with glee. The butterfly fluttered wild and free, flying, twirling, full of cheer, singing with flowers far and near. Children tried to catch her tight. She laughed and said, "Not tonight." Then she twirled and flew so high, up into the bright blue sky. Children clapped and waved goodbye. "Come again, butterfly," they cried.